Good morning guys, it's Saturday, simple breakfast, fried fish and fried rice. So ipapakita ko sa iyo ngayon kung paano magluto ng fried rice na very simple. So more on garlic, dalawang cloves talaga ng garlic, and then rice, a little bit of oil lang, small amount of oil. Wag maraming oil kasi pangit pag fried rice ka tapos maraming oil, cholesterol. So, and then, pag gusto nyo ng egg, ilalagay nyo lang yan sa taas ng kanin, and then mix. Kung gusto nyo egg, pero ako, mas gusto ko more on garlic lang. Ayoko na may egg sa rice, sa fried rice. So, yun lang guys. Then, small amount of magic sarap. Pag ayaw nyo magic sarap, small amount of salt lang. Yun lang guys, ang sarap. Try nyo mga friends. So,